Hi beauties, you are welcome to Glory Beauty World and Skincare channel. If you are new to our channel, you are very much welcome. It's good to have you here. This channel is all about skincare, how to formulate effective skincare products which are 100% organic and chemical free. And here on this channel, we also share skincare tips and DIY recipes that will help you achieve a smooth, flawless, and even toned complexion. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make an effective whitening cream. This cream will whiten your skin up to 2 to 4 shades. It has the ability to clear dark spots, blemishes, white patches, and face stretch marks. Applying this cream consistently will result into a smooth, soft, and spotless skin with an overall even toned complexion. Before we start, please kindly subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Click on the notification bell to get notified each time we upload new videos, and also like, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you. The instruments needed are an electric stick mixer. This helps to blend and smoothen your cream. The spatula is also needed for stirring and mixing your ingredients. You also be needing a mixing bowl. Of course, this is where your ingredients are added together before mixing. Right here is the scale. This is an alcohol to sanitize your equipment and hands, whether you are wearing a glove or not. It helps to prevent germs from entering into your products. Here are different sizes of measuring spoons. You also need smaller size of bowls for mixing your powders. These are all the equipments that you need to make an effective whitening cream. So I'll be putting them aside for more space before introducing the ingredients. Please note that following or copying a formulation doesn't make you perfect in making a skincare product. There are basic knowledge that you must know to get started, and they are all revealed in a skincare training, either physical, online training, or ebook. Right here is an organic base. If you want to know how to make a base cream, check out the link in the description box below the video. This is 2.5 kg of organic base cream. I'm actually making a large batch of the whitening cream. That's 3000 grams of whitening cream. So I will be adding 2.2 kg of organic base cream into the bowl. Right now, I'm adding 2200 grams of organic base cream into our mixing bowl. Our base cream is always thick and creamy, and is good when you want to achieve a particular consistency when you are pro-mixing. And after adding that, I will be adding 250 ml of rose water to loosen the consistency. You can also use distilled water. Rose water helps to balance the skin's pH. It also helps to clean the pores, preventing problems like blackheads, whiteheads, acne, and pimples, and eventually tones the skin. Right away, let me introduce the whitening powders that I will be using to make this whitening cream. Here is Filipino whitening powder. It's super whitening and it helps to clear blemishes, hyperpigmentation, and other skin discolorations, including sunburn. Sepi white powder whitens or lightens the skin. Here is Giga white powder. It's an organic whitening powder that whitens, clears dark spots, treat and prevent pimples and acne, repair damaged skin. It gives a perfect skin complexion when you use consistently. Kojic Deep is an organic whitening powder. It whitens the skin and gives the skin a flawless complexion. This is citric acid. It brightens the skin, shrink pores, treat mild acne, and correct dark spots and fine lines. So I will go ahead and dissolve the powders properly. It's very important to know the solubility of your powders. Try to get our skincare training ebook. It will guide you. I will be using one set of Filipino whitening powder. It comes with a solution. After dissolving the powder with the solution, I will then pour it into the cream. and give it a good stir. Next powder that I will be adding into the cream is the Kojic dip, and I will be adding 50 grams of Kojic dip. First, I will dissolve it before adding it. Please, no one should make the mistake of pouring powders directly into a cream or lotion without dissolving them. So after adding the powder, I will stir again. I will also be adding 50 grams of Giga white powder into the cream after dissolving it. I will then stir properly. This is 40 grams of Sepi white powder, and just like the other whitening powders, I will dissolve it and mix together with the cream. So after dissolving and mixing it into the cream, you give it another stir. This is citric acid powder, and I'll be adding 50 grams of citric acid powder into this whitening cream. And before doing that, you all know that you have to first dissolve it before you can add it into your cream. So that's what I'll be adding right now, and after that I'll give it a good stir. So as you all can see, I have added all my whitening powders into the cream by dissolving and stirring properly with the spatula. So now I will be taking you over to the liquid phase. In here are my blended whitening serums and oil made up of fruit acids, vitamins, and essential oils, including treatment oils. These serums has strong ingredients that act to treat various skin problems and also help to whiten the skin. I'll show you first how I mixed all these liquids before adding it into the cream. On a separate bowl, remember to sanitize your hands and your equipment. Into that bowl, I will be adding one rapid white serum. It helps to lighten the skin and gives a clear complexion. This is a very good serum and has lightening ingredients such as bearberry, mulberry, licorice, and lemon extracts, including citric acid that mildly exfoliates the skin. I will also be adding 1 portion maqique. This is a highly concentrated serum that gives a very perfect skin complexion. Treatment for dark spots or brown marks, skin reaction, rashes, and eczema. And I'll also be adding 1 maqique derma. This is a lightening serum. It can lighten the skin very fast and it gives a very clear and even toned complexion. I'll also be adding 30 ml of glyceptine Chanel oil. This is a strong treatment oil that eradicates freckles and sunburn. I'll also be adding 25 ml of extreme whitening glycerin. And also, I'll be adding 50 ml of arbutin oil. It clears dark spots, blemishes, sunspots, age spots, and acne scars. Right here is Botox injection serum. It's a very strong whitening injection, highly concentrated serum. And right here is the burre de coco whitening serum. It's also another concentrated whitening serum, very strong. So right here, I will be adding 50 ml of Eclat natural triple action oil. It contains lemon extract. Right here, I'll be adding 100 ml of whitening activator. Then I will give it a stir with a spatula before I will now use a stick blender to blend all the ingredients into a very smooth paste. So that's how I got this rich and effective whitening mixture. I'll then pour all into the cream and stir properly, making sure that the cream and the liquids are fairly mixed together. So right here, I will be adding 1 skin-free milk. This lightens the skin and gives that smooth, soft and beautiful complexion. So once I'm done adding it, I will give it another stir. And the next ingredient I'll be adding is the Santrade lotion, which helps to clear dark feet, dark hands and dark knees. So I'll be adding just a bottle of it into this cream and then give it a very good stir. Then this is 7 days skin perfector serum that helps to clear dark spots and blemishes. I'll also be adding 15 ml of skin repair oil. This whitening cream will not only focus on the whitening of the skin but also to treat issues like damaged or bleached skin. I'll also be adding a tablespoon of crude kenacol. This is for the treatment and prevention of green veins, varicose veins, spider veins, and any other kind of skin reactions. With this crude kenacol in your skincare products, you don't need to be afraid of the cream or the product causing any reactions on the skin. The next ingredient that I'll be adding is tea tree essential oil. I'll be adding just 5 drops of tea tree essential oil into this cream. Next is vitamin E oil. I'll also be adding vitamin E oil in 30 ml. Then I will be adding 1 stretch mark ampule and also 100 ml of preservative into this cream. I will then stir it very well with my spatula and finally use an electric stick blender to blend all ingredients into a nice and smooth consistency. And the whitening cream is ready for sale or use. To achieve a faster result, apply on a damp skin 2 times daily. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell for more uploads. See you soon and thanks for watching. Bye.